Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today we are fixing my E46 because one of the ignition coils broke, and as you can see it sounds very bad, and we got the engine jack light, but new ignition coils are bought. I bought like 4 of them because I'm fixing I'm replacing all ignition coils, because like if you just replace one, then the chances are high a week later another one breaks, and I don't want that. So I'm saving money and time and just fixing all 4 of them or replacing them. It's just one ignition coil that's broken, and that means the car is basically running on 1 cylinder less. So instead of 4 cylinders running, it's 3 cylinders running, and that's why you get a very bad noise and also a very bad driving feel. Like it stutters a lot while driving, and it also sounds not healthy because it's not healthy. And I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial because I'm not a car mechanic. I went to the BMW garage and I asked them to fix it because I don't really knew if it was like a big repair or just a small repair. And they gave me and they called me. They said it was like 700 Swiss francs to repair it, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's not that bad. But then I kind of searched on the internet to see what's the repair, what is it like, how is it difficult or is it not, and how much one ignition coil is. And BMW, they basically said, yeah, one ignition coil is about 100 Swiss francs. And I bought one for, what was it, 40? And I bought 4 of them, so I spent it 130. Or was it 30? I think 40. So that's why I'm fixing it by myself now, just to save money and time, and also to learn. It's nice to learn things. So yeah, exactly. I will see you later when I have the engine open and we can see the ignition coils. So basically all you need is 30 Torx, a flathead screwdriver, and obviously the ignition coils. And yeah, I'll take it off now. So as you can see, I took everything off. The interior filter, like the cover, and now we got the ignition coils here. Like I said, I don't know which one is broken. I'm replacing all of them. And yeah, just a small thing that happened. I kind of broke the oil cover. Like you can lift it up. I don't know if it's bad or if I'm just doing it wrong. Well, actually I think I'm doing it wrong. Am I? Wait. Because I don't think you have to be able to lift this off. I think I broke something. But yeah. Maybe buy a new cover. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. Yeah. We will see. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, no, I did it. No, it's not. It's working. Okay. I have not broken anything. Good. So as you can see, this is a new ignition coil. The old ones, and yeah, these are very old. Like none of modern cars have still such ignition coils. They're new and modern. But yeah, it's an old car, old ignition coils getting replaced. Yeah, perfect. So we have the old ignition coil here. You can see a bit of different shape, but that's not bad. It's actually normal because these are very old ones. These are a bit newer. And basically the thing you have to check is the, I don't know what's it called in English, the stecker, that it fits. So this has to go inside to ignite, to send a signal. And yeah, this is basically the thing you have to check. And you can see it's basically the same length. So this will definitely fit. Yeah, just Google ignition coils for your car, which one you need, and then you should be fine. Yeah. Yo, what up? So guys, the car is fixed. The new ignition coils are in. I could have filmed the process, I did it. And yeah, now it's running good again. Everything good. My friend came over, and a friend of him is a mechanic, so he helped me out. And yeah, pretty easy to do. Just all you have to do is take this cover off, take that cover off, take that cover off. That's the interior filter. Take the oil cap off, and then you're on the ignition coils, and you can change them easily by pulling out and putting the new ones in. Pretty easy. Now I'm gonna check the oil. Always good if you know what oil level your car has. And yeah, I'm gonna check that now. And yeah, if it's good, it's good, and if not, I'm gonna pour a bit in it. And yeah, that's it. So the car is kind of low on oil. It's almost at the minimum, so we're changing that now. Yeah, exactly. So yeah guys, that was it with the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm very happy that it's finally fixed again. And yeah, I hope I could give you a little bit of tips also to do it yourself. And yeah, exactly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.